Welcome to Whipped Clean. I'm about to whip this house completely clean because this house has a house rent inspection. One of those inspections where they come and have a look at how clean you are. They're really looking for damage in the house. They're not really looking at how good your cleaning skills are. However, your cleaning skills gotta be good enough to at least look presentable. Someone's renting you their property. They would like to give it to somebody who will clean. How clean does a rental property need to be for an inspection? We're going to get rid of things like mold. That is an eviction notice type scenario. Let's not get kicked out on our rent inspections. This house has one tomorrow. Hence why I am here. Tip number 1, get your cleaning kit ready. The first thing you want to do is get your cleaning kit ready. If you do not have a cleaning kit, I have them already made for you. I like to put it in the house's bathtub. I think it's like a big bucket. Large sponge with the rough edges. Here's a mini one. Tough scrubber. Secret weapon. Microfiber cloths. Having a lot of executive function issues right now. Working memory is not on point today. I don't think I had enough fruit sugars for breakfast. I had half a banana. This house is getting brand new microfiber cloth. Why? Because it is a house inspection and I think deserve the best. I like to actually go through a ton of microfiber cloth. I go through more cloths than people would realise. I find it easier. And this one is polisher. You get this in the car section at Kmart. My brother actually gave me this tip. I use it for anything shiny, like a metal kind of shiny, like a tap or a door handle. Polish it with this. It gives it that extra shiny look, which is a nice presentation, especially if you're going to pay somebody to clean your house, or if you're a cleaner and you're getting paid. Why not make things shiny? I've got 2 buckets in case I feel sick. No. This one here, I have all my clean microfiber cloths, and the black bucket is for all the dirty rags. Grab the clean ones, throw the dirty ones in here. I don't like touching gross things. I have a lot of sensory issues. The grossest part of the job. I wear the gloves and a mask. Again, sensory issues. So this is a COVID mask. It's actually good to wear one of these because we're going to be spraying bleach around. Let's leave. The all-purpose cleaner. That's what I forgot. I remember I was looking for something and then I couldn't find it because I couldn't remember what I was looking for. Makes sense. Yeah, so I'm going to go get the stuff that I forgot because working memory needs more bananas. I actually forgot more stuff than I realised. The all-purpose cleaner. Morning Fresh. This gets sprayed on everything. This is my vacuum cleaner. Oh, this is the glass cleaner. Well, let's put that back. That's not ours, that's theirs. This is the mirror scrubber. It's a non-scratch one. The blue one is, yes, this will scratch. I hope that window part's not scratched. Oh no. Okay, this scratches. Oh no. Yep, I can see I've scratched the entire thing. I have a bin bag. Ooh, there's something in this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get another bin bag. Got my measuring quarter cup. It's a little brush. It's not too hard, but not too soft. This is to get stuff into bottles. Is this? It's like a liquid gumption, but not. A natural disinfectant, hot water in a bucket. So you can put this on anything, which is why I mop the wall and the door and the floor. Use the good old squeegee. So now we actually have the clean kit. I also have a backup. Learnt this on Instagram in case disgusting mold doesn't move. I am going to try this idea. I might just try this for fun anyway. It's toilet stuff on the wall. Yeah, that sounds fun, right?